In the advanced settings menu, we have the option to exclude words from the search algorithm. We can exclude words. For example, if I want to exclude the word Sherlock Holmes, or I can use wildcards like anything beginning with anything Sherlock and ending with anything. Now all the posts which will match to Sherlock Holmes will be excluded, or beginning with any word and Sherlock in the middle of the word and ending with any word will now be excluded. Let's test it. Before we test it, I will show you Sherlock. I get 2 results in movies and 1 result in the books. Update the settings. You need a re-index here. You need a re-index. But a tip from me, if you want to make some tests before you re-index, here in the books, 6 great Sherlock Holmes stories. Here, products, books are products. Find your product. And update your post. This will exact the same like re-indexing, but only for this post. This is great for playing around the settings. Let's reload the page and type in Sherlock. You see, the product is gone. I have excluded everything beginning with anything Sherlock and ending with anything. But 6 great is still appearing here as a suggestion. Of course, I didn't exclude it. Sherlock. Now my excluded anything beginning with Sherlock, anything beginning with Sherlock, ending with anything Sherlock are excluded. So remove, update the settings. You see, you don't need a re-index because you're in the old status again. And update the product. We have updated for testings. Exclude words from displaying. Let's say I want to exclude a category only from displaying, not from the search algorithm. Let's show you. I have here a post sorry, with test cat 1. I want to exclude everything beginning with test and ended any word. Update the settings. You will need a re-index, yes, but as I said, for playing around, open the post which is matching to our rule. Widget test. Widget test. And update it as it is. This will act like a re-index only for this post. And reload the page. Okay. So open page. You see, the categories are now excluded from displaying because I want to add beginning with test and ended any word should be excluded from displaying. But I want to now say test cat 1 should only be excluded. Update the post to act like it's indexed. Refresh the page. Posts. You see I have testcat 2 and testcat 1 is now excluded. It will not be displayed because I have it here as a rule. Remove it, update. Replace search string. I will remove this to show you what it means. Let's assume you have a post with the title live and die in LA. Now if we search for live and die in LA, I will get no results because I have the word and, not the sign and. So what to do? If we add a new replacement, I want to replace the the and sign with the word and. This will replace in both direction. Replace the sign with the word and, the and with the word sign. Oh, the word and with the sign. You can add more. So update the post. So now live and die in LA. You will get the result. You will also get the result with the and sign. Mobile and tablet settings. You can hide image, specs, extra, price, SKU if you have WooCommerce installed, and categories on mobile phones only, because they take a lot of space. Include jQuery in front. Some templates do not have jQuery included by default, but if your template do not have jQuery included, you will get a warning here in red, only for admins visible, that you should include jQuery. Database actions, you can delete the logs. This action cannot be undone. Cancel. Delete the popularity index, delete all iSearch indexes. But be careful, deleting all indexes also deletes the taxonomy. Here we have an iSearch taxonomy metadata. We can exclude it, exclude this taxonomy from search suggestions, or remove this image, add extra search terms for taxonomies only. And you should be careful, if you delete all iSearch indexes, all this data will be deleted too. Delete data on plugin delete. If enabled, if you delete the plugin, not deactivating, completely removing from WordPress, all the data from iSearch will be deleted. Spam protection limit means if I have logging enabled, I will show you, iSearch will log every not found search queries. And you can set a limit from the same IP address that only 5 logs should be recorded. And all above will no longer record it, but the user still get the suggestions and search results. Include meta case in search algorithm means here you have all your meta keys. Some of them are added from plugins, most of them are added from plugins, and you don't need most of them. But I know I have for the products which I call books, I have the MetaK ISBN. It's the book ISBN number. Here it's alphabetically up. Yes, ISBN. I want now to be included in the search results, search algorithm, not displaying. Update the settings. I need a reindex, but as I said, for testing and playing around, I opened 6 Great Sherlock Holmes stories and updated it. If I now search for the ISBN number, you see I will get 6 Great Sherlock Holmes stories. And you can do it with any MetaK you want. And also the same is for taxonomies. I have added here the taxonomies actors. This is a taxonomy from the post type movies. If I now search for, let's say, Jackie Chan, you see I get all the movies where Jackie Chan is connected with. And the actor, of course, Jackie Chan. But if I remove this, I would only get suggestions from actors, not the movies. Because the actors are the taxonomy of the movies post type. Exclude tags from search algorithm. This is a very interesting part. For example, if I want Jackie Chan to be excluded from all search algorithms or a category, or a post tag. Let's say I want to exclude the category test cat. I want to also exclude the category test cat 2, and I can add a new row. I can do it with every post type and every taxonomy. Here are product categories. Let's save it. You need a index, as I said, for testing purposes. We can act for testing purposes. Where was here? Test cat 1, test cat 2. Update the post. You don't need to update every post. You only need the reindex. This is only for demo, for showing you. Because updating the post is like the same reindexing, but only for this post. And you see this post is excluded from suggestions because one of the connected terms are set to exclude in the iSearch advanced settings. It's excluded because I have testcat 1 and testcat 2. If I know, well, let's search for it. What was the post name? Live and Die in LA. Okay. Live and Die in LA. You see? No results. If I now uncheck testcat 1, testcat 2, you see this no longer excluded. Yeah, reload the page. Live and Die. You see? You can do it with every post type.